All right, guys, so here's my 04 Hemi Quad Cab Sport. The truck had no power to the cluster, the power windows, power door locks, headlights, stereo, interior lights, everything worked. My cluster was dead, and there was also no crank, no start. And after doing some research, I figured a few things out. So chances are, if it does it on your guys' truck, this wiring harness right here, if it's not pinned in like mine's still pinned in, a lot of those pins that seem like they break or something, they'll rub on the inner fender down there. They'll rub a hole in it. Well, mine was up. So then I went to the normal problem too, which was this. This sits up here like so. You can see where it bolts there and there. The fuse box. So this wire here, I had to fix. I noticed it was a little blue, had a little blue spot on it, so it had corrosion in the wire itself. And I was like, man, okay, that's probably what it is, but the wire seemed like it was together still. So I started messing with it, and I heard the fuel pump kick on and everything else, so I'm like, oh, that's it. So I wiggled it a little bit more, and it just fell apart. I had already pulled this plug off and cleaned the pins and everything else, because that seems to be the normal problem. Also, that red wire, or I lied, this back one back here, that plug back there, with all these power wires here. But I believe this power wire obviously powers one side of the circuit board on this, which powers everything else, because the trailer brake controller didn't even have power. So I'm not sure how all that works and how that one wire powers the whole circuit board on that one side. But yeah, that's what it was. So I just cut it and soldered it and shrink wrapped it. And then I'm going to retape all this up really good. So chances are, if you have a Dodge truck, 03 to 06, I believe is this body style, that's what the problem is. So definitely check it before you go sending it to a dealership or somewhere else, because that's something that you can fix yourself, and it doesn't cost a whole lot. A little bit of solder, some shrink wrap, and some tape. So thanks for watching, guys.